BiostatDoc here, with a quick video on installing R, RStudio, and TeX. So you're going to want to go to your desktop and open up your favorite browser. When you do, go to your favorite search page. I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in RStudio download. The reason for this is that I know that there's going to be a link called RStudio Desktop from which I'll be able to download and install both R and RStudio. So let's go ahead and download and install R. We'll click on that button. It takes us to a page where we can see that you can download R for various operating systems. I'm on a Windows system, so I'm going to click Download R for Windows. At that point, you'll see there's 4 components to the R package, and you really just need base. So let's download R base. We'll click on Download R 4.3.1 for Windows, and we'll watch the download, and as soon as it completes, we'll go ahead and open that file to start the installation process. I'll go ahead and choose English as the default, and at this stage you're going to click Next and accept all the default suggestions. I'm not going to be able to install at this point. I'm logged in not as an administrator, but I'm going to go ahead and illustrate how you just keep clicking Next until the last moment, and I'm going to exit out of here, but you'll go ahead and run through the installation. Now we're going to go back. At this point, if you want to install Contrib or the other Contrib, go ahead and do so along with our tools. I'm not going to bother at this point because we don't need them. Go ahead and click on Install RStudio, and again, we'll wait for the installation to complete, and then we'll open that installation program. Now this time, much faster, we're going to see that I need to be administrator to effectively install all of this software, and I won't be able to. So as soon as this opens up, it's going to warn me that I need to log in with a different username and password in order to install the program. So you'll do that on your program. It's already installed on mine. So I will back up at this stage, and we'll go ahead and change RStudio to MiKTeX. MiKTeX is a very popular distribution of the TeX system. So we'll click the download MiKTeX link and then go to the download page. And you can see there's various tabs for different operating systems. I'm on the Windows tab, so I'll go ahead and click the download at this point. I'll remind you that the only reason that we're going through the trouble of downloading TeX is so that in our R Markdown documents, we'll be able to generate PDF documents. Without having a TeX system on your computer, you won't be able to generate PDF files from your R Markdown. So that's why we're doing this. There's other reasons that you might want to use TeX, but that's completely up to you. If you don't want to generate PDF documents from your R Markdowns, and that's perfectly reasonable, you could limit yourself to just generating HTML files, HTML slide files, and Word documents, if that is your preference. But if you do want to have PDF, you'll need to go ahead and download a rudimentary installation of the TeX typesetting system. Once the TeX system has fully downloaded, once again, you'll see that the installation executable file will be available. We can click on Open File and start the installation for TeX. I'm going to go all the way to the end this time where it will tell me that I already have TeX installed, just so you can see that there's nothing to be changed here. You just keep clicking Next until finally it wants to do the installation. So it told me that I already had it, and so I'm going to back out at that point. You have now downloaded and installed all of the programs that you're going to need. Thanks for joining us. We'll be developing a lot of new videos for learning R within the RStudio environment and creating exciting new R Markdown documents. See you soon.